What is up, guys? Today we're going to be doing another install on the 2017 Civic Si. Home is right here.
Yeah, we're gonna be installing some arrow catch on for the Seibon hood. As you can see, there only $19.95.
Some hood pins, a little hood pin action.
Yeah,
Somebody's little skirt is gonna fly off.
I'm just cautious, buddy.
Oh, sure. Whatever.
All right, so we're gonna be doing this install. You might have to need you're gonna need a drill. That's all I'm gonna say. If you don't cry,
Little Joe me, baby.
if you don't cry, I don't know what's wrong with you. All right, now let's get started. All right, so first you need to get rid of this shit, and then there's an existing hole right here that you might be able to use for your hood pins, but you can see on the other side it's a little up. So what we're gonna do is drill into it in order to put the other hood pin here be a little flush. So we're gonna get started with that. Hopefully we don't fuck up because carbon fiber hood's a little expensive. So we're gonna get started with that. Tools you're gonna need: bag for your engine bay, some tape, some toothpaste. Not to wash brush your teeth, but you'll see later. No!
Demonetized, bro. But yeah, we're gonna be cutting somewhere around here.
Yeah, bro, where is it?
For the pin. And yeah, it's forever gone, bro. Sorry.
Oh, fuck.
Demonetized.
It's down there.
It's all the way down there?
Yeah.
Oh, well, anyways, we'll get that. But we're gonna go ahead and start off by drilling right here. That way it matches the one on the other side over there. And we'll go from there. Boom. Step number one.
Gotta protect the engine bay. Because all those gotta protect the Type R.
Gotta protect Type R crate engine.
Coming soon. Maybe. See how the funds are looking.
See how the YouTube funds are doing.
Alright, we covered it. See, now it's time to drill that hole.
Boom. Drill a hole right there. Okay, you drill. Alright, so I kind of measured the other side already. It's about an inch from here. So just kind of eyeball it.
It's because you're not a car, huh?
This is a project car, bro. What are you talking about?
My monthly payments are talking about it, bro.
Hey, your monthly payments will be fine, bro.
Alright.
Maybe.
I don't want to look, bro. It's going to hurt me. Do your best.
Uh-oh. No going back now. Well, straight into the radiator. It'll be fine.
Yeah, Mishimoto?
Alright, so the hole, boom, it's already done. And then this is the what is this, like the little rod? The pin, I guess. And ta-da! There's some good fitting in there. I don't know how deep it's gonna go, bro. But anyways, now that we have one set up and two set up, we're gonna go ahead and put the toothpaste on top, and then we're gonna close the hood, and then wherever there's toothpaste on the hood, that's where we're gonna drill, so we know exactly where to drill for the pins to go through. And after that, we'll do the rest of the thing, whatever it's called. What is it called?
Arrow catch?
Oh, the little catcher thing. But yeah, first, put some toothpaste on it.
Just a little.
Oh, just a little tap.
Oh no!
Wow, bro.
Whatever. Just a little dab.
Oh, just a little tap. Boom, boom. Close that. And I'm gonna drop. Oh, just kidding. And then just gonna push on it a little bit. And the toothpaste should let us know where our holes need to be. Ta-da! Looks pretty good. There's one, and that one's kind of like dripping everywhere.
Me on a Sunday night.
Demonetized, bro. But yeah, see, now we know where we need to drill our holes for our pins.
Alright, before we start drilling, we're gonna tape the other side.
Just in case.
Just in case there's a doctor in the house.
So much.
Just a nice tape job. You fuck up my hair, you buy me a new one.
Yeah, you need to sign this waiver, bro.
Engine, where's that sponsorship at? Hit up the boy Jesus for your free car washes at AMTR_FK7. I need a car wash. Alright, we're done putting the tape. Now it's time for the fun. Not really because of my hood, but whatever. Time for the drilling.
You gonna do it, bro?
I'm scared. It hurts me. It doesn't hurt you, it's not your car. Yeah, but it's not your car. You make fun of me. He's a bully. Alright, bro.
Are you ready?
Yeah. You confident?
I mean, it might look like we know what we're doing, but we don't. So
just a couple Mexicans with the tools.
just straight up. I don't know even what angle we're going, bro.
Just go to the other side, bro.
Like that?
Yeah, I guess.
Like that?
As long as the pin goes in, bro.
Is it snowing in here?
Waiting for the other side, bro.
Damn, it tastes like Coke. I mean, Pepsi. Uh-oh. Malfunction.
Got some technical difficulties. Be right back. Hole number one in. Just need to do a little deeper. Balls deep.
Here you go. Hole number two. And this is just fiberglass. It's not the real carbon fiber yet, so.
Yeah, you tell us king about the whole balls deep. Don't believe monetize this. I gotta go. Hole number two complete. Hopefully it fits.
Let's check that fitment though. Alright, here. Test fitment number one. Oh, it's tape off.
Bloopers. Alright. You gotta make the hole a little bigger for the tip of the pin. So that's what we're doing right now. Third time's a charm. Fitment number three. Hey, doctor. Doctor. Alright, so the pin comes with two sets of bolts and washers. So you'd have to put one. Wow. Whose man's is this? Whose man's is this? Alright, back to what I was saying. There's two washers and bolts.
Now there's only one more.
Not bolts, huh? Nuts. Nuts, my bad, nuts. Alright. Caught you guys. Whew. You call me fast San Jose for nothing. Alright, so there's one bolt on top. Come on, focus, buddy. There's one on top. There's one in the bottom. See if I can get one, a shot. I can't, but there's one that goes on this side and one goes on the bottom. So we're just doing it on the inside, but this guy over here dropped it. Alright, we're gonna try to find this, I hope. Alright, we back after this food dropped and found it. Alright, so we're gonna tighten the other side.
Hopefully I don't drop it again.
Sure God. Only took like an hour. Alright, so it's in the other side. We got the top, now we with the bottom. It's a washer and a nut.
Gotta make sure I don't drop it.
Don't drop it, I'll kill you. Alright.